Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech G HUB not launching. So first of all, what you have to do is close your application if it has been open. Come below at the search bar, type in settings. Once you get to a settings page, you're going to have to select installed apps. You will see installed apps, go ahead and open it. In here, type in Logitech or simply G HUB. Now likewise, if this is your Logitech application, even though this is Logi option, let's assume this is your application. Click on this three dot icon and select uninstall. Once you have uninstalled it, it will also give you an option to keep your data. So go ahead, check the keep the data option, and you're going to have to reinstall again. And once you do that, this will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then this might be a device's problem. So again, come below at the search bar, type in settings, and make sure that you have updated your software for PC. Now in here, you might also select Windows Update. If you see any updation available, go ahead and update it. And that is how it's done. Thank you for watching.